Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be covering a new fintech company that offers a business line of credit with no personal guarantee, no credit check, and it's a fairly new company. They just launched the product and expense management platform in January 2021. So it's a brand new company. They approved me for $10,000 business line of credit, and it's no PG, and they issue physical cards. I'm waiting on mine to come in the mail. I'll do another review more in depth in the coming weeks after I get the card, but I just got approved last week and I've been playing with the expense management platform. So make sure you stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to go through the process to get processed faster, application, and everything. So anyways, let's get right into it. But before I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already. Turn that bell notification on. So anyways, let's get right into it. So the company is called KleerCard. I think there's only one video out there about them right now on YouTube. So they're a brand new company. So the credit cards, it says the credit card solution made for small businesses and nonprofits. So before I get into all this, I want to tell you, stay until the end, because I'm going to show you my actual account, screenshots, and they also have an app on the Apple Store and Android Store. So just stay tuned. Anyways, it's an expense management platform that controls and issuing of cards all on one platform. This is the co-founder, Owen, and I'll put a link in the description. Check that out, and you can watch the video. He explains everything, how KleerCard came about and what they offer and everything. So it's no personal guarantee. It eliminates expense reports, seamless integration with accounting software such as Quicken, full control of organization, spending, unlimited virtual cards you can issue for flexible budgeting, and it's completely free. They don't charge anything for it. So I have a link here. It's I'll have it in the description. You can go to businesscreditcard.app. So that's my strategic partner link that goes directly to the demo app that you have to basically fill out some basic information. I'll go through that in a minute. But that's how you go through to the demo to get approved. They'll check everything out with you and see if KleerCard is the right fit for your business. Even if you're a new business, it's okay. They work with, new businesses, startups, existing businesses, nonprofits, all sizes businesses, whether it's a one-man business or hundreds of employees. So I'm just going to go through their main website here real quick, just cover some points. Like I said, it's expense tracking, controls, and issuing of credit cards all on one platform. And it says, like right here, this is like their app here. Stop using credit card companies that create more work for your business. The current corporate card companies do not serve small businesses and nonprofits well. They require personal guarantees for owners and create more headache and work for employees. KleerCard built a solution that eliminates personal guarantees and lengthy sign-up processes, complicated expense reporting, while giving you the full control over issuing virtual cards and physical cards. So the cards are actually partnered. I don't want to say partnered. It's just licensed under Sutton Bank. But KleerCard actually is unique in the respect of, it's similar to Divvy, but the difference between, I would say, Divvy and KleerCard is it's all underwritten in-house. So basically the owners and founders of the business of KleerCard are basically putting up their own money to fund your credit line. And also I want to point out, because I saw other people mentioning this on another video, but KleerCard has no affiliation, and it's not anything like First Merchants Processing, Pavis, AvadaWire, anything like that, 5 Star Processing. It's not that at all. So just stay tuned and watch until the end. And I'll give you my data points, and make sure you use my link to apply, because you'll get faster processing of your application. So use the KleerCard solution and focus on what matters, how it works. Get up and running in hours, not weeks. Instantly issue virtual and physical cards. Flexible budget and spending control. No more expense reports. And you never have to pay them anything. They don't charge anything. So KleerCard saves you money, saves on overhead, hire to grow your business, not for new overhead, do more with less, reduce overhead, and free up bandwidth, as it says here. Let's see here. Never worry about overspending, because you can control all the budget and spending limits on the physical cards and virtual cards that you issue. So we're going to get into my platform here with the KleerCard. You can see I just literally got approved last week, and I spent kind of the weekend in the last 5 days or so, using it and setting everything up, getting familiar with it, because as you know, I've been using Divvy for the last 9 months. So their platform is basically like the same thing, but different, a little bit different features and different process on how you set everything up. So like this, it says the recent charges, some payments, domains and stuff that I set up, that I buy. You can see the cards, you can issue the virtual card, with a monthly budget. The monthly budget I put down was like $500. And then my main card, I put $5,000. So I got approved for $10,000, but you can allocate that $10,000 or whatever they approve you for. They may only approve you for $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. I don't know. That's something that they're going to look at, basically your banking data and how established you are as a business. So don't get discouraged if they start you off with a low limit, and they basically work like American Express and also like Divvy, where they have options for net 7, bi-weekly, and monthly. So don't get discouraged if they give you a low limit starting. You want to build that relationship up with them, and then as they feel they can trust you with more, you can request increases and longer payment terms. So they're just trying to lower their risk, so that's understandable. I had to scratch out one of my employees' name, so you can see that the physical card, my card approved, says 6,800 here. I can allocate the other 3,200. I'm still getting used to this platform, so let's see here. What else I wanted to show you guys. So basically that's the home page when you get into KleerCard, and then this is the requests. So you can request basically your request for, say, a card or a virtual card, physical card, your employee, budget, for your online subscriptions for your business, whatever it may be. And then you can after you hit that request, you just make it a nickname. Request for, you're going to put your employee name or whoever it is, yourself or your employee, and then there'll be a drop down card type, and it'll be one-time use virtual card or a physical reoccurring monthly card, where you can set it to expire whenever you want, basically, and whatever budget you want to put down in there within your credit limit that they give you. Or you can issue the monthly virtual card, or, like I said, the burner virtual card. And then under cards, you can see here, you know, you can see it says active for Google Office budget I put in there, and then online marketing budget, active, and then you can see the physical card with monthly budget. It's pending because they're not activated yet, because I just requested them. So once I get the physical cards, then I have to put in the full card number to activate it, and then it'll be active for use. And then you can see there's a charges tab, and it basically shows all the charges for all of the cards. You know, anything that you have, it'll show the total amount, the date, and everything. There's so many features on this, but I can't get into everything right now in one video because I'm still playing with everything. And once you do a demo, apply and do a demo, you'll be scheduling right now with one of the two co-founders. You'll have a Zoom call or a conference call with, and they will basically do the demo with you, explain it all, 10 times better than I can explain it, and they'll basically get feedback from you and see if it's a right fit for your business. That's how it is right now. Now, if they get really busy, you might, have a Zoom call or a conference call with, do the demo with, one of their representatives. So down at the bottom, it has integrations, so you can set up your QuickBooks online, your desktop, and there's a few other options in there where you can download it and do, the edit charges download, where you can customize, the accounting part of it. And then this is what the cards look like. This is a virtual card. It's issued by Sutton Bank, but it's all underwritten by in-house with KleerCard founders. So they have a mobile app on Apple and Android. This is what it looks like when you log in, and this is mine. Basically, just trying to show you guys that I actually got approved. Others just putting out information about different companies. I'm showing you I actually got approved. That's why I had to, cover out this account number, because that's one of the active cards virtual cards. So, like I said, I'll make another in-depth review here, I would say in a week or two. But once I get more familiarized with the platform, because I'm so used to Divvy. So stay tuned for that. But I made a few little data points here. KleerCard works with all size businesses, new and established. KleerCard does not require personal guarantee. KleerCard is underwritten in-house, meaning that they don't have, venture capitals, firms and stuff backing them. It's all in-house. KleerCard is free to use. KleerCard has a line of credit terms from 7, 14, and 30 days line of credit. So, whatever you use, this week, you have to pay back 7 days or 14 days or 30 days. And that all depends on how your approval goes. If they give you what credit line they give you, they will set those terms initially. Just build the relationship up with them, and they will give you higher limits and better terms. It's just working out that initial relationship, just like you have to do with just about any bank. Good thing is it's no personal guarantee and no hard pull credit check. And KleerCard is working on being able to report to the business credit bureaus. So, you want to get in now if you can get approved, because, in due time when they're able to, they will be able to be reporting to the business credit bureaus, and that will help your business credit as well. I want to stress this out as well. KleerCard is not a Pay-Vis card or a 5-star first merchant processing, anything like that. It has nothing, no affiliation, nothing like that at all. This is very similar to Divvy, or Brex, I should say. Brex or Divvy. They're just, each of them have their own different features. So, anyways, I think that's it for today. I'll just show you real quick how to apply for the KleerCard. Go to our partner link for faster processing, please. It's I just made this website URL up, and you just click on it in the link in the description below, and it'll basically redirect you to our landing page that goes to the KleerCard application. So this is what the page that it will take you to. And there's like a little explainer video here. This is the, like I said, this is the co-founder of KleerCard. He has extensive background in finance and government. So make sure you watch that. Just click on the button to make sure that the sound is on and everything. Here's some more information about him. That's Owen. And then there's this is what you basically want to fill out. So put your information here, and then it will go over to it will just basically ask you a few questions. So what is your major pain point with corporate credit cards? Need for a personal guarantee, and then what accounting software do you use? See whatever one applies to you. So, and then what is your current monthly spend? So, put what you're currently spending, and be honest about everything as well, and then what is your main reason for exploring KleerCard? So you can, can't get cards elsewhere, or control my card's work, save time, whatever, may be for you. If KleerCard will save you time and money, are you prepared to start the pilot project? So this basically means, if the demo works out for you and, they approve you, are you ready to start using the Creditline and expense management platform? So you say yes, and then once you submit, it's going to say, let's get started, and it's going to be like a 20-minute demo. So you can click, the date and time, and you're going to select what appointment times are available. And then after you do that, you're just going to hit submit, and then you will have that demo scheduled. Then at that point, they'll go over the demo. It takes like 10-15 minutes. And if you like what you see, then they will have you do the application right there, or they'll have send it to you, send you a link and to fill out and everything. It's very easy, quick process. But like I said, I will get more data points and more information released probably in about a week or two once I start using it more and more. I literally just started using it in the last 3 days, so I'm getting used to it. Anyways, like I said, if you guys want to apply, make sure you use the link in the description below, businesscreditcard.app. That's the site that I want you to go to. It's, like I said, it's going to just redirect you to my strategic partner link with KleerCard to their site. So please do that. Help support the channel. And also, like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. If you like this video, smash that like, thumbs up. Alright? Until next time, you guys take care. Bye.